Have you ever needed to share a PDF but worried about exposing sensitive information like phone numbers, email addresses, or even confidential business details? Manually blacking them out is not only time consuming, but sometimes it's not even secure. That's why the release of PDFelement 12 is so exciting. It comes packed with a whole collection of new, fun, and practical features designed to make your PDF work faster, smarter, and safer. One of the highlights is the brand new Smart Redact feature. With just a few clicks, it automatically scans, detects, and permanently removes sensitive data across your entire PDF, keeping your information safe without the stress. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Smart Redact in PDFelement 12. By the end, you'll know exactly how to protect your documents confidently, and you'll get a taste of how powerful the new PDFelement 12 really is. Stay tuned, because this feature is just one of many that could transform the way you work with PDFs. Step 1. Open your PDF. Launch PDFelement, and open the PDF that contained sensitive information. Step 2. Go to the Protect tab. From the left side menu, click on Protect. Here you'll find tools for securing your PDF, including Smart Redact. Step 3. Choose Smart Redact. Click Smart Redact. A panel will appear on the right side, letting you choose what type of sensitive information PDFelement should look for. Step 4. Select what to redact. First, choose your country, then select the information which you want to hide. Even you can add or create your own redaction by clicking on the plus sign and selecting the information you want to hide, like email addresses, credit card numbers, or even custom keywords you type in. Step 5. Scan and preview. Click Analyze and PDFelement's AI will scan your document. Then it highlights all the sensitive info it finds so you can preview before finalizing. Step 6. Apply redaction. Review the highlights and confirm. Once applied, the sensitive information is permanently removed, not just hidden. This ensures your data can't be recovered, even if someone tries. Step 7. Save your redacted PDF. Click File, Save As to create a secure version of your document. Now you can safely share it without worrying about private details leaking. And that's how easy it is to protect your PDFs with Smart Redact and PDFelement. No more manual black boxes, no more stress about sensitive info slipping through. Whether you're handling contracts, financial reports, or personal files, this feature ensures your privacy is always secure. Try it on your next document and experience the peace of mind it brings. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to more PDFelement tips. See you in the next one with another new feature.